guys, this is Ishak from Shack Tech, and today we have the Videomic GO from Rode. This is more of the entry-level microphone, as there is the Videomic Pro made by Rode as well, which gives you allowing you to further more settings on it. So let's just take a look at the packaging first. Well boxed, cardboard boxing. We've got some stuff on it. As you can see, it has a 2-year warranty. Integrated Rode lyre suspension. No battery required, so this uses the straight out of the camera's power, and it is pretty lightweight. Okay, let's get to unboxing this. Alright, put this to the side. And here it is. It's in some sort of like a plastic casing already to cover it from protection. And alright, so as we can see, we've got the mic itself. We've got the wire. It's a pretty simple. It's just a mic input wire, which we're going to connect one end into the back of the speaker and one end into the camera. We've got a quick start manual, I'm guessing, yeah. Now the mic itself, as you can see, it is really lightweight. I mean, there's hardly any weight to it. It's covered. This must be the Rode lyre suspension thing. The red stops, I guess, vibrations when you're moving around your camera. This picking up sounds of vibrations. And yeah, so as you can see, we put the wire in here and we input it into here, one end, and the other end would be going into the camera. The mic is covered with a Rode sound absorber, so I guess that would help us absorb the sound more easier, clearer sound. Yeah, pretty much that's what you get in the box. And this end will just be plugged in. When you're putting this on the camera, it would be put on the foot. As you can see, we've got a square bottom, so this will be put in the foot shoe of your camera, and you tighten this to get it really stuck on top of the camera safely and keep it there firmly placed. And yeah, this is a spring wire. It seems pretty sturdy. Not so sure about the suspension thing. Feels pretty flimsy. Do a sound test now without the mic and then with the mic. So this is the sound we get without the mic. I'm using a Nikon D3 2200 to film this. It has no mic on it right now, and this is the sound you would be hearing. Okay, this is with the mic in. The Videomic GO by Rode is in right now, and this is the sound quality you would be expecting to get from it. So thanks for watching. That was the unboxing. So if you have any questions about the mic, please leave them in the comments. I got this the other day, so I haven't got much time to play with it so far, but I would be using this in much of the future videos. Please follow me on my other social media networks, which will be linked in below. Yeah, please subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching.